So Rihanna, I heard that this is your favourite workshop for today, the sim.
Yeah,
And why is that?
because it's so realistic and it's like cool, I guess.
And what did you think about today's Girls on Track program?
It was really fun. Made a lot of new friends.
Is this your first Girls on Track event?
Yes, it is.
And what did you think? Did you have so much fun?
Probably the most fun I've had this year. I already knew this, but it just showed more that you don't need to be a boy to be able to have fun on tracks, and that no matter what your gender or age, there's always something you can do that involves motorsport.
What are your thoughts about motorsport? Do you like it? Do you like it more since you've come to the Girls on Track program?
Yes, it's definitely proved how much I enjoy this.
And what did you get out of today? What was your kind of favourite workshop?
I think the rattle guns and pit stop challenge was the best just because it was so challenging and everyone worked really well together.
What do you want to do in future with motorsport though?
I want to race rally cars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And why do you want to race rally cars? You might have seen maybe Molly Taylor racing rally cars.
Yeah, it just looks so cool.
And what about it do you love? Is it going fast, or is it being out in the bush?
It looks fun and everyone just looks nice, I guess.
And what would you do if you did get into motorsport late in life?
I want to be a race engineer because I find the job really cool and how they have a little bit more control than the drivers.
What kind of category would you do that in?
Supercars.
If you did get into motorsport, as I think you will get into motorsport ahead in your later life, what would you like to do in motorsport?
Just have fun and show the boys that girls can do it too.
Race car driver or mechanic or engineer?
Race car driver. Just anything that has four wheels.